Hi, Bridget here. Things and stuff. I am doing an update. Let's see, the last time I was on here was when I was talking about my dad, and he's home still, or again, doing better. He looks good. I went and saw him yesterday, so that was a good thing. My sewing machine quit working. Boo, and I did some homework and I dug up the serial number, found the serial number, and found out that my machine was made in 1956, and it was the first year that they did the Model 401A, and I finally got a cord that works with my Singer. So it should be here Friday. Hopefully it works. It has 3 holes and my thing has 2 holes, but from the video I watched, the 3 holes doesn't matter, so we'll find out. But anyway, so here's how far I got before it kapitted on me. Right? I have 4 panels that look like this. They're all super random. All it needs to get put together, and needs pockets, a hem, and a waistband, which could be an afternoon's worth of work. Hopefully, maybe a long afternoon's worth of work, and I'm done with that. That would be awesome. So maybe Saturday I can finish doing that. And in the meantime, I am working on journals, Christmas presents. I'm not sure how much I like them. They're kind of hokey, but, you know, they're homemade gifts, so they're kind of hokey. But, so we took these books and we gutted them. Jen and I, we gutted them when we did our paper flowers, and we made the flowers out of the book pages. So I had all these books left over, and we reinforced the binding on the book with purple duct tape, though you can't really tell it's purple. And I put these little rings, these little hoops go through there, and they open up just like binder clips. Each book has it. So they're going to get stuffed with homemade paper. We did some bubble paper. They're going to get stuffed with that. And I'll be using the Scan and Cut or my mom's Cricut. If I can talk her into peeling the vinyl, it'll be my mom's Cricut. If I can just make the designs and send them to her, and she could cut the vinyl and peel it out and send me back some stickers, I would be all okay with that, because I am not very savvy when it comes to weeding the vinyl. But anyway, so each journal is going to have a page with pockets, and this one's got all this stuff in it for right now, but it'll be cleaner. Right, and then there's the back. They'll have regular paper to write on, dividers that say, I'm really pretty pissed I wasn't born a mermaid. That's what that one says. They'll all be different. This one says mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. Here's another mermaid at heart is the back, and then the pocket goes right here. This is really kind of just a practice run. They'll each get a bookmark. Although the bookmark, I think my dad's wife loves to do puzzles, and I got her a diamond painting kit thing for Christmas that she really liked. So I'm thinking I've seen some bookmarks that are diamond painting, so I've asked her, and she said she would, but it just depends on if she does, if she would do some diamond painted bookmarks and sign them, put Love Grandma on it or something, and throw it into the journals so each girl can have a bookmark that their grandma made for them. This is my other bookmark I was thinking of. I thought that would be super cute as a bookmark, but, you know, these girls are kids, so they're not very sturdy. But anyways, that's where I'm at. So that's what I've been working on. Here's this one that says, "Beach, please, I'm a mermaid." One of them's going to get zoo animals. One of them's going to get a mermaid book. One of them will get flowers. Scarlett's getting skeletons and giraffes. It's going to be all mixed in there together. Little tiny seashell I just found on my lap. Super cute. But that's all I'm working on is these journals. That's not all I'm working on. I'm working on working with Ron as well. But we've, again, get another break for another couple of days. Woo! And I'm getting crafty. Other than that, there's not a lot going on. I'm just waiting for my cord. You know, what's funny is I had a machine that I could be using right now, but on a Thursday, I gave the machine away to somebody that really deserved it and needed it and appreciated it and is going to use it. But the following Saturday, my cord broke. It was like, oh, if I wouldn't have given the machine away, I would totally have a machine right now and be done with this skirt and on to the next one. But shit happens. Sheet happens, however you want to say that. And that's what it is. So that's it for now with things and stuff. How are you guys doing? I hope somebody out there is watching this. Don't forget to answer. Let me know how you are. And I will see you again next week. Bye.